Hello, tubers and Scott. Right, we're back here. It's a bit misted up inside. Probably where that rear quarter's letting in a little bit of drizzle through the little rubber boot on the top of the hatch. We've got a box full of goodies. We're going to start fitting them. Unfortunately, I'm not going to film it bit by bit. You're going to get a little bit of a time lapse watching us just have a bit of a tinker, and voice over Scott and tell you what we got up to.
So obviously the boys want to see if they can get this old girl firing up, but we don't want to drag any of the crap out of the tank into the engine. So what they're doing is filling up a little container with fuel, creating a vacuum to bring that into the engine, and then they're going to try and turn her over and start her up using that.
Alright, tubers, hope voiceover Scott was looking after you. Driver's footwell, flooded to buggery. Wasn't the first day we come here, and it came down in the rain. While we've been here, also, it's a different t-shirt jumper, it's a different day entirely. But anyway, we've been here trying to get the car to start or get the fuel lines clean and all of that, which we've done. We've got the mechanical fuel pump is kaput. It can't create a vacuum and it can't pump anything. But I've managed to pull a vacuum through it. I'll show you what we used. But Dave happened to mention the footwell's full of water, so I had a quick investigation. I should have filmed this before I started cleaning it. It is disgusting. I've never seen a scuttle tray like this. This stuff is just some of what I've pulled out so far. But anyway, creating a vacuum, I used this. Just quickly, I pulled a vacuum through there, took this off, pulled a vacuum through there, then pulled a vacuum through there. I can get fuel through, but we can't maintain pressure. So my guess is a mechanical fuel pump. Anyway, look at this. It looks like we've pulled it from the swamp. And I found a side repeater under there as well. Look at that. Have you ever seen anything so filthy? I mean, I've seen 3 girls, 1 Mars bar, whatever it is, or 1 girl, 3 Mars bars, and it was not as bad as that. Disgusting. No wonder why the footwell was so wet. It's obviously been filling up with water in the heavy rain we've had in the last 2 or 3 days and going down the different port of calls. I just hope it hasn't done any damage internally. No, I'm not going to film every last bit of aspect to this. Like I say, voiceover Scott can fill you in. I mean, at this point, just wanted to get fuel to the carburettor before there's even any point showing you first start or attempting first start. Yes, we've cranked it, but we have known it's not going to start. However, we did put a little bit of easy start down the carburettor in hope to pull the fuel through. I get it turned a bit. Did spark, did turn over. Lovely. So we're on to a winner, but not yet. We'll be, well, for you it'll be instantly, but we'll be back in the next clip trying to start it, undoubtedly, and telling you how we got to that point. See you shortly. Right, I got told off by voiceover Scott the other day in one of the videos, so I thought I would do this. This week's jumper hoodie sponsor is by none other than Bottom, Rick and Eddie. Anyway, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you're enjoying this content. Is that better over voiceover Scott?
Yes, Dubber, thank you very much.
Anyway, right now, viewers, we've got our new fuel pump. It's pumping. We don't have a lot of battery because someone forgot to bring a spare and their jump pack. So this is going to be, fingers crossed, hit and hope, fast, and hope enough fuel, because the fuel's coming out now. We've connected it up to the carb, let's hope we can get that float filled and a spark to spark. I personally think you're going to see part 2 coming up in 30 seconds, but here we go, part 1. Like I said, part 2 to follow. How about that for a cliffhanger? You dabber. One more try. Go on then. The battery came back a bit. Just be a tad naughty. Go on then. Needs battery, he won't listen. Plonker. Anyway, like and subscribe. Hoodie sponsored.